All right, let's fix your laptop battery that keeps draining even when you're not doing anything. Follow carefully. Method 1. Open command prompt as administrator and type .powercfg -a if you see standby, S0 low power idle. That's modern standby. To turn it off, go to Start Type Registry Editor and open it. In the registry editor, go to this exact location on display, right-click, select New Dward 32-bit value, and name it. Platform AOA Coverride Make Sure Name. It exact. Now double-click it, set the value data to 0, and hit OK. Method 2. Now, let's control what's eating your power when the system's idle, your CPU and background apps. Go to Control Panel. Hardware and Sound, Power Options. Choose Balance option. Click Change Plan Settings. Change Advanced Power Settings. Scroll down and expand Processor Power Management. Set the minimum processor state to 5% on both battery and plugged-in modes. This forces your CPU to actually rest when idle, instead of running background threads all the time. If this video helped, leave a like and hit subscribe.